residents can now apply for a free Ring doorbell camera.
Candace Hare joins us live from Akron with more on who is eligible and why city leaders support this program. Candace.
Yes, Danita, Isabel, this is a program we first reported on back in April. And at that time, city officials, they told us that this was part of their fight against neighborhood crime. Now, if you're a resident in Akron, I want you to take a look at your TV right now because we're going to show you a few of the rules that are in place for this phase of the program. One, it's for homeowners and renters who live in Akron wards 1, 3, and 5. Two, only one camera per applicant or per household. Those who have received a Ring camera previously with the program are not eligible for this phase. Applicant must agree that the device will be installed in a timely manner at the listed property, and the applicant must also allow the city to review Ring footage if the Akron Police Department reasonably believes it's necessary to the investigation of an actual or potential felony crime. Now, this all comes as Akron police gave an update yesterday on a June 2nd mass shooting at a block party during which 29 people were shot and one person, 27-year-old Lateris Cook, was killed. Police say they have spent more than 2,000 hours investigating the case, but have yet to make any arrests. When we previously reported on this program, officials told us they hope this helps some residents cooperate with police.
What we're hoping is that they are going to help reduce crime. The idea that we have eyes watching on the streets, recording 24/7, right? It is also our hopes that, people who have these cameras, when crime does happen in their neighborhoods, that they're able to cooperate and coordinate with the police to help solve crimes.
Now, today, city officials tell us that they have distributed more than 2,000 cameras here in Akron. If you are looking to participate in this phase of the program, I'll let you know that applications close tomorrow afternoon. But if you want to find more details, you can find that and a link to the application itself on our website, wkyc.com. Isabel?
All right, Candace Hare reporting live for us in Akron this morning. Candace, thank you.